So, how do we actually fix our FC26 server connection issues on Nintendo Switch 1 or Switch 2? So this is how I fixed it myself. So firstly, I had to click on the home button here on my controller to be able to be taken back to the Nintendo Switch homepage here. And then we have to click on System Settings here, so click on System Settings, scroll down here and click on Internet. And then click on Internet Settings here on top. Then just wait for this one to load right here. So we're just gonna wait for it to load a couple of seconds and then click on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to here and then click on Change Settings. Then scroll down and change the DNS settings from automatic to manual here instead, as you can see. And then the primary DNS should be exactly like this. So just copy this. As you can see, it's 008.008 and so on here, as you can see. Then click on OK right here. And then the secondary DNS is exactly like this. You can see 001.001 and so on here. And once again, click on OK once you're done. This will help your Wi-Fi to be a bit better than before. At least it was like that for me. You might need to as well, by the way. So now go to FC26, but don't enter it. Just click on the Y button here on your controller and then click on close. And then re-enter it once again. It should re-enter automatic, to be fair. But once you have done so, this should then hopefully be able to fix this problem for you as well.